In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as important versus not important. We'll start by turning on Gmail's importance markers, which let you quickly teach Gmail which messages matter to you. On your computer, open Gmail and click the gear icon in the top right. In the panel that opens, choose See All Settings. Along the top, click the Inbox tab. Scroll until you see the section labeled Importance Markers and select Show Markers. Just below, make sure the option that says Use My Past Actions to predict which messages are important is checked. This is what allows Gmail to learn from what you do next. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. If you don't immediately see the markers appear, give the page a quick refresh. With markers enabled, you'll notice a small arrow-shaped icon next to each email in your inbox. That arrow is the importance marker. When it's filled yellow, Gmail considers the message important. When it's empty or gray, it's not. To mark a single email as important, click the empty arrow next to that message. It will turn yellow, and that tells Gmail to give similar messages higher priority over time. If Gmail marks something as important and you disagree, click the yellow arrow to turn it gray. That signals that this type of message isn't a priority for you. You can also make changes in bulk, which is useful when you're cleaning up your inbox. Select the checkboxes next to multiple emails. Then in the toolbar above your messages, click the More button, the one with 3 dots, and choose Mark as important or Mark as not important. This applies your choice to all selected emails at once and gives Gmail a stronger signal about your preferences. A few tips as you go. Importance markers are different from stars. Stars are a manual way to flag messages, while importance markers help Gmail automatically sort and surface what matters. Your choices here don't notify senders or change the message for anyone else. They only affect how Gmail organizes your inbox. If Gmail gets it wrong at first, keep clicking the markers as you read your email. The system improves quickly as it learns from your actions. And remember, you can always reverse a marker with a single click. That's it. Enable the markers, teach Gmail with a few clicks, and use bulk actions to speed things up. Soon, the emails you care about most will rise to the top and the rest will stay out of your way.